Alright guys, these are the elevators here at the Halifax Convention Center here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. This complex just opened up recently, and we got ourselves some brand new CKG elevators. I believe these are machineless traction. I don't quite know, to be honest. So, let's take a ride. We're gonna go all the way up, but then we're gonna end on the 3rd floor because that's how I have to exit this tower. I don't know which tower this one is. I think it was in the.
I think we're in the north.
Okay. I like the cab. Very nice. Let's go up to 6. Oops. What's the floor number? Here's look at your fixtures, your phone. Here we're at 6.
6th floor, going down.
Go down to 1. Pretty basic floor indicator. I thought for the new convention center they'd have something a little more fancy, like an LCD screen.
1st floor.
And we're gonna finish up on 3. So that's how we have to get out of here. This time we'll watch the buttons. I'll let my camera person hold the door when they exit. Here we are at 3.
3rd floor.
Watch the video and watch the doors close. Alright. There it goes. And that's it.